Jining FURD Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited, established in 2008, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of vibratory roller, laser screed machine, concrete truss screed, power trowel, mobile light tower, road crack sealing machine, and other light construction machines. We are located in hometown of Confucius and Mencius, Jining City of Shandong Province, with convenient transportation access. Covers 40 acres area, 14,000 square meters production workshop. FURD dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has research and development a series of advanced machine, including concrete laser screed and road crack sealing machine. In addition, we have obtained certificates of CE, ISO 9001, and 23 national patents of vibratory roller and laser screed, selling well in all cities and provinces around China, and our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Africa, Southeast Asia, the United States, Europe, and South America. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Welcome customers all over the world visit our company.